Are you trading multiple forex pairs, multiple stocks, or multiple crypto coins? If yes, you are doing it wrong. You are wasting time because it's nearly impossible to succeed trading multiple markets at once. In this video, I'll show you the best way. The way 99.99% of successful traders actually trade and generate consistent profit. Almost all beginner traders, when they start trading, pick a strategy from YouTube and try to apply it across multiple markets at the same time. They watch every market simultaneously, and whenever any market gives a signal according to their strategy, they place a trade. This approach is completely wrong. After spending 5, 6, or even 7 years trading this way, many realize that they were going about it the wrong way. Trading like this is absolutely the opposite of how success is achieved. It's not the way professional traders operate. If you truly want to achieve success in trading, then pay close attention to what I'm about to share. Grab a notebook and write down every point. Because this is not theory. This is the hard truth that most struggling traders only realize after years of trial, error, and frustration. By understanding this now, you can avoid wasting years of effort and start building a path toward consistent profit from the very beginning. First, you need to understand the realities of the markets, truths that traders only learn after years of struggling. Every market has its own rhythm and behavior, which means you cannot pick one strategy and apply it to all. Markets don't follow systematic strategies, so you cannot generate consistent profit by blindly applying a strategy, even if it has a 70% plus win rate. To succeed, you have to make your own decisions in every trade, using your experience and a strategy you develop from observing the market yourself. If markets followed systematic strategies, creating a robot would be easy. But we know robots don't work. Markets move based on how traders, institutions, and banks execute trades. The third reality is that every successful trader has a unique strategy they built over years of learning, spending hours watching charts and understanding market behavior. When we combine these three truths, it becomes clear. We cannot trade multiple markets effectively. As humans, we cannot fully learn the rhythm and behavior of more than 2 markets at a time. Applying a systematic strategy to multiple markets would require creating a separate strategy for each one. And if you build a unique strategy, it works best in a single market. Do you understand? If yes, now we can go deeper and save you years of struggle. If you are trading gold and want to generate consistent profit, you need to truly understand its behavior. Gold has its own rhythm in different sessions, and it reacts in specific ways to support levels, trend lines, and indicators like moving averages. To make real profits from gold, you cannot rely solely on a systematic strategy or follow signals blindly. You have to dedicate the same amount of time and focus to studying gold's price action and behavior as other profitable traders do. It is not enough to apply a generic strategy and expect success. Mastery comes from observation, analysis, and experience. Let me give you a clear example. Imagine 2 traders, one sitting at home in New York, the other in London. Both dedicate at least 4 hours every day to watching gold charts. They observe how it moves during active sessions, how it reacts at key support and resistance levels, and how trends develop and reverse. Over the years, by giving this consistent time and attention, they only take trades in gold and are able to generate 20 to 30% gains every month. They don't hop between multiple markets or chase every opportunity. They focus on one market, one instrument, and master it. This is the key to success. If you want to achieve similar results, you need to do the same. You must spend hours studying the charts, learning the rhythm of the market, and understanding how gold reacts in different situations. Only then can you develop your own strategy based on experience, rather than blindly following someone else's system. Watching gold every day will train your mind to recognize patterns, anticipate moves, and make better trading decisions. Time and attention are the currency of success in trading, and gold rewards those who respect this principle. Now, let's come to the final part of this video. If you want to succeed faster and avoid wasting years of trial and error, start implementing this today. Open a single market like gold and focus on it. Choose a lower time frame and select an active trading session. Spend at least 3 hours a day observing how the market moves and reacts. You don't even have to take trades yet, just watch and learn. Do this for 30 consecutive days. Even if you don't place a single trade, by the end of this period, the market will feel familiar to you. You will understand its rhythm, behavior, and key levels so well that trading it will feel easy. almost like eating a delicious cake placed right in front of you. The point is simple. Success in trading comes from focus, dedication, and observation. By committing to one market and studying it daily, you build knowledge that no strategy alone can provide. This approach separates successful traders from struggling ones. So start today, take notes, and begin your journey toward mastery. Comment below that you are starting this challenge, hit the like button, and subscribe for more real trading guidance. Your path to consistent profit begins with focus, attention, and the discipline to learn.